Good morning, everybody. It's Bobby from Bobby's Hobbies. I'm down here on the other side of the main layout, and this was my lifelike Christmas gift 1973 layout. And the buildings are not original. I just put them on now kind of almost randomly. There's a factory, another little factory, a signal tower. It's like a coaling station, of course not in the right spot. And I repaired some of the broken mountains with that sealant foam that uses expanding foam. It comes with a tube. You can get it at Lowe's, Home Depot. And then I colored it. And, it kind of looks, like that. You can make your own reproduced styrofoam terrain and then just paint it like brown and green. So it kind of is perfect for rebuilding chips and stuff that's on the old layout made of styrofoam. It's also good for filling the gap. I repaired it that way. So a lot of interesting things that are possible. And although this might not, match up to expectations of the modern layout, this has a lot of memories and inspiration. See how we repaired that tower with foam? So you can repair these old things. Now the question is, can I get it running? Can I get it to look good? I think it looks kind of interesting just as it is, but I'm going to add some more trees, more buildings, and get a train on there. Hopefully it will be something worth looking at and enjoyable. It's not the original track. This is an original piece of track. This is the original power connecting track. It's in brass. The other tracks are not. So hey, thanks for taking a look, and thanks for giving me an idea from one of the viewers. And hope you enjoy it, and let's see if we can get it running. I'll be back. Well, hello everybody. We're down here on the old 1973 lifelike styrofoam layout. And only one piece of original track that I know of on there, and that's right there. That's the powered one, which allows power to come from a transformer. I think I actually have the original transformer. I don't think it works anymore. And I have the original locomotive, which on a prior video I fixed. Eventually I'll get that to run, but I doubt that would make it on here because the track is not really ready for prime time. What we have on here is not Atlas, but a Kato RS3, which is a top flight locomotive. And I'm going to call upon its abilities, which are going to be strained to the max because this track has some steel track and rusty track. I'm not sure it can really make it. And if it derails here, which I think it did. Oh, that could have been a colossal disaster. So let's try to run it in the other direction. And again, this layout has to be improved. See that white chunk of styrofoam there that's holding up the bridge? All right, well look, it's not going to really do too well because we are in a rebuild mode, and some of these tracks are going to have to be replaced with new nickel silver. And it doesn't want to go. Let's see with full power if it wants to go anywhere. Don't know. I've got that long reach hand, but of course I don't have it next to me. So let's use an old model railroader magazine. No, I'm going to use something better. I'm going to use a little paintbrush. Now, this would have been considered back in the day as, hey, it works great. But now, of course, we have such high standards from our railroading. Well, you get the idea. So it's coming back slowly. Hey, thanks for watching. And we'll be back. Now I'm shutting the power. All right. Thank you again, and have a wonderful day.